Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Elias.
We're part of the team behind Sonic Soak.
Sonic Soak is a smartphone-sized device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible.
It cleans to the microscopic level, beyond what any laundry machine or cleaning spray can do. The inspiration for this device came from the fact that we were frequent travelers, and cleaning our clothes while on the go was always a hassle, so we had to set out to find a good solution.
It's also quiet and can be used to clean more than clothes. It can clean glasses, jewelry, fruits, razors, baby bottles, products that are tough to clean using sponges or rags or your hands or soap and water.
I think they get the idea, Elias.
Okay, I just want to be clear. This is the best way to clean pretty much anything.
Sonic Soak works by generating ultrasonic sound waves that create microscopic high-pressure bubbles to wash away dirt, grime, and oils.
We had no idea at the time that we'd come up with was a device that had so many benefits outside of travelers wanting an easy way to wash clothes while on the go.
It's also simple to use. You simply place it in water, add some soap, turn on the built-in timer, and walk away. 30 minutes later, your clothes are cleaner than ever before.
Sonic Soak is designed for travelers, moms, neat freaks looking for a thorough cleanse, and not just on clothes, by the way, but on fruits and vegetables too. Folks with small loads of laundry, fashionistas that need a better solution for their gentle cycle or hand wash only clothes, folks that don't have the space for a full-size laundry machine. Really, it's for anyone who wants a cleaner, well, almost anything. Because Sonic Soak is more than a great way to clean your laundry, it can clean just about anything you can stick in the water with it.
So if you like things clean, free from all those nasty things you can only see up close, Sonic Soak is your solution.
Sonic Soak is ready to be shipped just after our campaign ends. We just need you to help make it happen.
Which means you can have a cleaner almost anything in practically no time once we end this campaign successfully. So please help us bring Sonic Soak to mass production and experience clean like never before. Now you can enjoy a cleaner lifestyle wherever you go.